Hey everyone, are you looking for an OpenArt AI promo code? Or maybe a coupon or a discount for OpenArt AI? Or are you just hoping to find some OpenArt AI free credit? If you said yes, you have come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to get the best deals for OpenArt AI. I'm talking about a huge 50% discount on all yearly plans and a special 15% off the infinite monthly plan. All the special links for these deals are in the video description below, so be sure to check them out after the video. Alright, let's talk about what OpenArt AI is. It's a super cool tool that helps you create amazing pictures, videos, and even stories from your imagination. Before we look at the plans, here's a key tip. If you pay for a full year, you get a 50% discount, which means the monthly plans will cost you double. And also remember to use all your credits each month because they do not carry over. First up is the free plan. It costs nothing. This is perfect if you just want to try OpenAI and see how it works. You get 40 free credits to test everything out. Bonus tip, if you join their Discord group, you get an extra 50 credits for free. You can make up to 4 pictures at the same time, and everything you create is private. Next is the Essential plan. This is great for when you're ready to start creating. If you choose the yearly plan, it comes out to only $7 a month. But if you decide to pay month by month, the price is $14 a month. So by choosing the annual plan, you're cutting the price in half. For that price, you get 4,000 credits, which is enough to make about 4,000 images or 40 videos each month. If you're a serious creator, check out the Advanced plan. This is for making a lot more art. With the yearly plan, it's just $14.50 a month. The regular monthly price for this plan is $29 a month. Again, you save 50% by going for the full year. You get 12,000 credits. That's enough for about 12,000 images or 120 videos, and it lets you do cool things like create hundreds of images at once. For the ultimate power user, there's the Infinite plan. This is for the pros. The yearly plan breaks down to $28 a month. If you were to pay monthly, it would be $56 a month. Special deal. So you can save 50% with the yearly plan, but if you prefer to pay monthly, don't forget my special link in the description gets you 15% off that $56 monthly price. This plan gives you a massive 24,000 credits for up to 24,000 images or 240 videos. Lastly, there's the Team plan. This is perfect for small companies or groups working together. On the yearly plan, it costs $17.40 for each person per month. The monthly price would be $34.90 per person. The best part is that all the credits are put into one big pool that the whole team can share. Now, what if you need more credits? If you're on the Advanced or Infinite plan and run out, you can buy more. For $15, you can get an extra 5,000 credits for the month. And don't worry, you can cancel your plan at any time. If you cancel a yearly plan, you can still use it until the year you paid for is over. So that's everything you need to know. To get these amazing deals, don't forget to click the links in the description to get 50% off any yearly plan or 15% off the infinite monthly plan. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching and have fun creating.